Hello, good morning students. Now in today's lecture we will solve a few questions other than NCERT. Actually we have completed the exercise and I want to solve some extra questions which is important for your examination. So you should practice all these questions. I am writing the question number 1. Question 1 is prove that cos 20 degree cos 40 degrees cos 60 degrees cos 80 degrees is equal to 1/16. See the question. We are given different angles 20, 40, 60, 80 is equal to something. It may be given in sine also. Sine 20, sine 40, sine 60, sine 80. It may be given cos 10 degree, cos 30 degree, cos 50 degree, cos 80 degree, like that. Means you will be given some angles with ratio sine or cos. Now we have to prove this. The best way out of these, you will observe that one of the ratios is given with known angle. So this can be taken first and remaining 3, 2 can be taken together and 1 can be left outside. Any 2. So I am writing, see, left hand side I am writing cos 60 degree here and I am taking cos 40 into cos 20 degree. I am leaving cos 80 degree outside. You may take 40 80, you may take 20 80, anyone. So we are aware the value of cos 60 degree, so 1/2 and multiply here with 2 and divide by 2. So if we divide it by 2, it can be taken out and this is 2 cos 40 degree cos 20 degrees and cos 80 degrees outside. So in bracket you see the formula cos 2 cos A cos B, 2 cos A cos B, and here cos 80 degree outside. So first simplify the bracket. Here we have 1/4. 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. So we can write cos 40 plus 20 plus cos 40 minus 20 and cos 80 outside. This is cos 60. We can write 1/4 cos 60 degree plus cos 20 degree, 40 minus, multiply this cos 80 inside. So this is 1/2, cos 60 is 1/2. I am multiplying this 80 degree. So 1/4, this is 1/2 cos 80 degree plus cos 80 degree cos 20 degree. Take 1/2 common, or you can multiply this by 2 and divide this by 2. Take 1/2 common. So we have 1/4 into 2 is common. Here we have cos 80 degree plus, again here we have 2 cos A cos B formula. So we can write cos 80 plus 20 plus cos 80 minus 20. See, this is 1/8 cos 80 degree plus cos 100 degree plus cos 60 degrees. Here 80 and 100 are supplementary angles. तो 80 can be changed to supplement or 100 can be changed to supplement. See, I am writing here 1/8. This can be written cos 180 minus 100. 80 is equal to cos 180 minus 100 plus cos 100 plus 1/2 for cos 60 degree. Cos 180 minus theta is equal to minus cos theta. So 1/8, this is minus cos 100 degree plus cos 100 degree plus 1/2. This will go plus minus 1/8 into 1/2 is equal to 1/16. This is right hand side. Got the question? So you have to see the known value should be kept first, and after that the remaining two can be taken together and one outside, multiply it by 2 and divide it by 2 and apply the formula. This can be given in sine also, sine 20, sine 30, sine 40, sine 60 and sine 80 degree. So you should practice all these questions from a sideboard. Let's see one more question. Prove that under root 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 plus 2 cos 8x is equal to 2 cos x. See, this is consecutive roots. So first we will solve the last root, then second root, then final root. So taking left hand side, see how to solve. 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 plus 2. This can be written as cos 2 into 4x. 2 into 4x. This is cos 2x formula, and cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1. So see, this one is 2 plus under root 2 plus under root 2 plus 2 times of 2 cos square 4x minus 1. Multiply these two inside. We have, see, 2 plus under root, multiply this, 4 cos square 4x. This is 2 is left here. 2 plus 4 cos square x 4x minus 2. Multiply this by 2. This 2 and 2 will go. Its square root is 2 cos square 4x. One root will be removed. So we have under root 2 plus under root 2 plus 2 cos 4x. So we can write 2 into 2x. Cos 4x can be 2 into 2x. Square root cos square x is cos x, cos 4x, and this is 2 into 2x. Again this can be broken into formula. See, 2 plus under root 2 plus, this will be 2 times of 2 cos square 2x minus 1. Now this is under root 2 plus, multiply this, under root 2 plus 4 cos square 2x minus 2. This is 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. This will go again, its square root 2 cos square cos 2x. So we have under root 2 plus 2 cos 2x. Again break this cos 2x. We have 2 plus 2 times of 2 cos square x minus 1. Multiply this. We have 2 plus 4 cos square x minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 will go. Now square root of 4 is 2, cos square x is cos x. So this is 2 cos x. This is right hand side. In place of 8x you can be given 4x also. You will solve the same way. Got it? So very simple questions are. You have to see the method. Let's see one more question. If tan alpha is equal to 5 upon 6, question, if tan alpha is equal to 5 upon 6, tan beta is equal to 1 upon 11, then prove that alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. Alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. Simply we need alpha plus beta. Tan alpha is given, tan beta is given. Apply like this. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to, here we can write, we know that tan alpha plus tan beta is equal to tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. So we have tan alpha plus beta is equal to, write the values of tan alpha and tan beta. So we have 5 upon 6 plus 1 upon 11 upon 1 minus 5 upon 6 into 1 upon 11. Solve this by LCM. LCM is 66. Here we have 11 5s are 55 plus 11 6 are 66 upon 1 minus here 5 upon, this is 66. This is, sorry, it is 1 upon 11. This is 6. So upon, simplify this. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to 61 upon 66 upon, here 61 is 61 minus 5 is 61 upon 66. 66 ones are 66 minus 5. 66 will go. This will go. So what we have, tan alpha plus beta is equal to 1. And 1 is the value of what? Tan pi by 4. So we can write like this. Tan alpha plus beta is equal to tan pi by 4. Tan, when tan will operate, don't cut this, just operate. Alpha plus beta is equal to pi by 4. This is proved. Got the question? Similarly, let's see one more question. Questions are simple. You should go through the question and try to attempt which formula will be applied. Just you have to think over it. Question is simple question. If tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 5, question, if tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 5, then find the value of tan cube theta plus cot cube theta. Simple. See, tan theta and cot theta is given. We have to find tan cube theta plus cot cube theta. So whatever is given, you have to make its cube. So since tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 5, or tan theta plus cot theta whole cube is equal to 5 cube, a plus b whole cube, a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b, algebraic formula. So this is tan cube theta plus cot cube theta plus 3 times of tan theta cot theta in bracket tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 125. 5 cube is 125. This tan theta plus cot theta will become 1. So we have tan cube theta plus cot cube theta plus 3 into 1, and tan theta plus cot theta is given 5. Is 5 is equal to 125. This is 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15, and this will go this side. So we have tan cube theta plus cot cube theta is equal to 125 minus 15. So we have tan cube theta plus cot cube theta is equal to 110 is the answer. So this type of question can be given sine and cos also. If sine theta plus cos theta is this much, then find the value of sine cube theta plus cos cube theta. Got it? So you can find the value. One more question I would like to remind you. Suppose question is given, find the value of 1 minus tan square 15 degree upon 1 plus tan square 15 degree. So you don't know the value of 15 degree. If you are knowing, you can put the value, or we have a formula. Since cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. This is the formula of cos 2 theta. So see, in place of theta we have 15 degree. So its value is cos 30 degree. So we can write this cos 2 into 15 degrees, or we have cos 30 degrees is equal to under root 3 by 2 is the answer of the question. Got it? So small questions can be asked in your question paper, and just you have to use your skill. You have to use your skill and apply the formula to get the answer. Got it? Now in the same way you can practice some more questions. In today's lecture this is only this much of the question. You can practice some more question. If any problem you may contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you very much. God bless you.